Hello, good afternoon. I'm going to show you my Maxbounty accounts and the earnings on Maxbounty.com. You can see right here, this is my login details, my email, my password, and this is login button here. So you can see me logging into my accounts, my live accounts, for you to see the proof of my earnings on Maxbounty.com, a CPA network. So I'm going to click on login right now. This is my Maxbounty live account. You can see the names here, and as well you can see today, yesterday, this month. Now let me show you some of the offers. These are some of the offers I've promoted. $8 per CPA. No need to buy and sell. You can see right here, $15 per lead. This is Inbox Dollar. Is a survey site, whereby users can do some task and get paid. So on sign up through your link, you get this per lead. The same thing with this. So I recommend this kind of offer as well. So promoting such offers, we have different traffic sources: the paid and the free. One of them I'm going to share with you is the one I will call Facebook Wealth Formula, whereby you're going to build your fan page. You promote a fan page, you have a landing page, you send traffic from your fan page to your landing page, from your landing page straight to your affiliate link, which gives you your conversions. So the process is you pick an offer from here. The next thing is you're going to build a fan page, a Facebook fan page specifically for that product. For instance, now if I'm promoting something like this, I'm going to build a Facebook fan page for exactly this name. I'm going to boost the page for some days to get fans. It might take me for 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months. I know what I'm targeting on, so I'm going to boost it for a certain period to get enough fans of specific country. Most of the sites want you to get traffic from US, UK, Australia, Canada. So if the offer you're promoting is for just all what they need is from United States, you can boost your page and let your page be shown to people in the United States, and the more fans you get, the likely you get conversions through your fan page. We call such method Facebook Wealth Formula. The process of using Facebook to get targeted traffic to your offers. So this kind of offers convert well on Facebook. So you can as well use Facebook Auto Poster to post into groups. That's a free method. Facebook Auto Poster to post into groups, into money making groups, work at home groups. You can set the schedules to post for you while you are not on your computer. So all these offers convert well on Facebook as well, on Instagram, Twitter. Get a hazard 100, all these kind of offers. Get an Amazon gift card and all that. All these kind of offers works well, converts well on social media sites. We have thousands of social media sites. We have different ones. So I'll list the ones that I will recommend you to get targeted traffic from, either the free, the paid ones. Reddit.com is a very good traffic source. Reddit, that is REDDIT, is a very good traffic source. Facebook can boost a fan page to get targeted fans from your Facebook fan page to your offers. Now we have Instagram. Instagram is also good for promoting CPA offers. You can boost your Instagram account to get enough followers. Then you build a single landing page. You can't use your Maxbounty link on your Instagram account. You can't use it as well on your Facebook. You have to get a landing page to send your traffic to your landing page. Then from your landing page, you send them over to your affiliate link. So I believe with this video you've gotten an idea of how to promote CPA offers using Facebook rewards formula I mentioned earlier, and as well using reddit.com, which is also a social media site to get targeted traffic, and as well as Instagram. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Amos, truly by name. Have a wonderful day.